Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahra Abdul. My roll number is 013. I'm from MSCS first semester. My university name is Ikra National University Main Campus Peshawar. First of all, we discuss good and bad points. Good points. The website don't have ad or irrelevant material, easy language use, clean layout. Bad points. The slider is not available in this website. There is no search bar option. The external link are not available. There is no fork option available. The latest update is not mentioned. Evaluation of website. There are 4 points. First is navigation. Information is arranged for clearly and logically easy understand. External links are not available. Contain information easily download, but download option is not in menu bar. It must be in menu bar. Navigation within the website is clear and easy. Yes, the link other page are reliable source. The site contain no broker links. Second is objectives. The purpose clearly stated for attending audience. Contact information is available, course detail is available, department department information is available, fee structure is not included, all faculties information is not included. Third is coverage. Depth and scope of information appropriate, accurate, and factual slider is not available. Information on the site is relevant to user need. Writing style. Language used is appropriate for intended audience, site free of types and other errors. There is no date show when the site has been updated. The website use easy wording. The user easily interact with this website. Next is heuristic evaluation. Heuristic evaluation has 10 points. Visibility of system status. This website have active menu and step wizard. It has non-loading animation and progress bar. In this website, confirmation message is not available. Pagination is available. Problem. There is no loading animation and progress bar used. Confirmation message is not available. Severity 3. Recommendation. There include the loading animation or progress bar when the user download form. Second is match between system and real world. Icon folder are available. The language of website totally understandable. All the categories are well named. Third is user control and freedom. Create, read, update, delete are not available. No confirmation message show. There is no search bar. Problem. No confirmation message, no search bar is available. Severity 3 recommendation. If the user fill the online admission form, the notification or confirmation message should be displayed that the form successfully submitted or not. Search bar option must be included, therefore the user can easily find the required information. Consistency and standard. The format of the website is clearly understandable. The terminologies are used in this website understandable and consistent throughout. There is no underline hyperlink option. Hierarchy is provided as a department. For example, civil engineering, computer science. Consistency and standard. There is no interactive button used. Trust heading and photo. The photo is used inside is real based, but only one or two photo is used in this website. Layout positioning is well managed. Consistent choice and language. Language used in this website is easy English language that is easily readable for all users. Problem. There is no interactive button used in the menu bar. When the click on the button, the color of the button remains same. No underline hyperlink available. Severity 3. Recommendation: the button should be attractive. If we click on the button, color of the button must be changed. Error prevention: reduced bad input. If the user entered the wrong and bad input, the website does not work and an error message should be displayed. Autofill, autocomplete, autosuggest paste from Word is not available in this website. Preview of different form, download form are available. Problem: autofill, autocomplete, autosuggest are not available. Severity 2 recommendation it include in the website. Recognition rather than recall. Minimize the user memory load by making object and action. The user should not have remember information from one part of the dialogue to another. Wide extra hurdles. Once the record is entered website, save the data. Next time when the user enters some same data recall purpose is used. Linked vs visual both. The feature is not included in this website. Don't drop list preview. This feature is not available. Hybrid breadcrumbs is not available. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Keyboard to navigation accessibility. Keyword navigation tools are used to navigate from one page to another. Shortcut key. Different shortcut key are used in this website for easy and efficient use, such as the most commonly used control, um, control, control plus C, control plus P for print, control plus V for paste, control plus C for copy, control plus R for reload, control plus L, control plus U for view page source, etc. One click login activities such as a some form in this website or in the click download item. Screen option. Different screen options are available. WordPress 5-minute install. There is not included. There is no search bar is available in this website. Problem. There is no search bar is available. Severity 3 recommendation is it must be included in this website. Ethic and minimalist design. The website has simple and clean design. The website uses readable font in color that are easy read for all users. There are no graphics image are used. The design of icon is minimalist, simple but not creative graphics. Problem: there is no slider is available. Only one or two images are used. Severity 3 it must include the graphical image using slider. Help user recognize, diagnose and recover from error. Error message should be expressed in plain language, precisely indicate the problem and constructively suggest the solution. Error tips. Different errors are occurred but tips are also available such as a email ID or phone number wrong, then an error message display. 404 error solution. No include in this website. There is no basics error message. 404 error are found in the student login portal in password forgotten. Severity 3 recommendation it must be included to recover the password if user forget. Help and documentation. This website does not provide any type of help and documentation is available. The main factor in this website is there is no search option in this website. There is no FAQ option. Codex Code Poet not included in this website. Community answer BuddyPress not included in this website. FAQ knowledge this option is not available. Customer service Twitter not available. Hyperlink to contain reference not included in this website. Problem: there is no search bar option in this website and no fake option. Hyperlinks available. No hyperlinks are available. Severity 3. Recommendation: it must include the menu bar. Thank you.